Now next topic, first topic we have last topic we have studied that development that leads to formation of female gametes, egg cell. In this first heading is development of ovule or megasporangium. Today we will discuss megasporogenesis. How megaspores are formed. How megagenesis means उत्पन्न करना, formation. How megaspores are formed, formation of megaspore. In this case, nucleus, generally single cell, nucleus, single cell of nucleus, it forms many cells called as archisporial cell. These archisporial cells divide periclinally to form primary parietal cell and primary sporogenous cells. This primary parietal cell form nuclear mass around the sporogenous cells. It may be divided or may not be divided. It may be divided or may not be divided. If divided, they form a mass of nuclear cell and surround the sporogenous cells. Is that clear? Now, primary sporogenous cells act as megaspore mother cell or MMC, capital M, capital C. Now, here reduction division takes place. Due to reductional division, 4 haploid megaspores are formed. 4 haploid megaspores are formed. Out of 4, 1 degenerates and 1 becomes functional. And this 1 megaspore form male gametophyte. Or embryo sac. Now, if here some exceptions are found, types of embryo sac. When single megaspore is utilized to form the embryo sac, when single megaspore form embryo sac called monosporic, when 2 megaspores form embryo sac called bisporic, when 4 megaspores are form embryo sac called tetrasporic. Now, next part is development in megaspore. Development in megaspore. मेगास्पोर में कैसे विकास होता है? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेल गैमेटोफाइट, एम्ब्रियो सैक. Formation, third heading is formation of female gametophyte or embryo sac. Megaspore, which is haploid, it contains half set of chromosomes. Mitotically divide. First mitotic division, second mitotic division. After first mitotic division 2 nuclei, second mitotic division 4 nuclei, and third mitotic division 8 nuclei form. That means megaspore 3 times mitotically divide to form 8 nuclei. 3 mitotic division takes place, and these 8 nuclei rearranged. One rearranged at micropylar end, at chalazal end, in the center. At micropylar end, 3 nuclei, out of which 1 is egg and 2 become synergids. This forms egg apparatus. This egg behaves as a female gamete. Now, in the center, 2 polar nuclei form. And at chalazal, 3 nuclei form antipodal cells. Thus, we can see that 3 nucleus, 2 nucleus and 3 nucleus, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 2, 8, 8 nucleate stage condition form. In the entire structure this entire structure is called embryo sac. This entire structure is called embryo sac, and it contains 3 to 3 arrangement of nuclei in 7 cells. So this condition is called 7-celled 8-nucleate condition, and this is most common type of embryo sac. Normally here in the next figure you can see that, yes, here you can see that, yes, this is embryo sac. 3 antipodal cells, 2 polar nuclei in a single cell, and 3 micropylar and egg apparatus, 3 egg apparatus, 1 egg and 2 synergids. 3, 2, 3. So thus we can see that 8 nucleate condition, and cells are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thus 8 nucleate and 7 celled stage condition form. 8 nucleate, 7 stage, 7 celled condition form. This is embryo sac. This is nucleus, where homogeneous tissues, homogeneous cells are found. This part is called as chalaza, and this opening is known as micropyle. So this end is known as micropylar end, and this end is known as chalazal end. In synergids, finger-like projections arises. In synergids, finger-like projections arises called as filiform. Apparatus. This is funiculus. Funiculus. This is the mature embryo sac. Now, in next part, synergids, the function of different parts of the embryo sac. Synergids provide direction to the growing pollen tube. Filiform apparatus, these are the projections, finger-like projections on the synergids. It perhaps provide nutrients of the short transport across the synergid wall. And antipodal cells, they also provide nutrition to the pro-embryo. And egg, this is the female gamete, which fuse with the male gamete to form diploid zygote. ZYGOTE, zygote. Thus we have completed this section. Thank you.